Here's how to listen to Amazon Music for free or on a free trial. So there's three different tiers to Amazon Music. First is completely free. That's right, there's a link in the description to all three of these. So one is to this page, which is Amazon Music free. You can actually listen now. So you click this you click this button and it takes you to the Amazon Music page, and I can literally start playing songs just like this. Now you're limited, there's going to be ads. You can probably only shuffle play certain artists or albums. Think of this like Pandora, where you can listen to music, but it kind of gives you the music to listen to, even if you guide it a little bit, and then there's ads between. Now, the other next level to do it for free as well is Amazon Music Prime, which is the included with Amazon Prime. So you get all the music, it's ad free, you can shuffle play albums, etc. All you have to do is be a Prime member, and you can be a Prime member for free. If you're between 18 and 24 or a student, you get 6 months free. So you can click on this link here on the Prime page, and you can do a 6-month free trial of Prime. Then it's half off after that. You can also do a 30-day free trial, but all of these trials and everything with Prime here includes Prime Music. So Amazon Music with Prime, which allows you to listen ad-free and kind of, it's a little bit better service than the just totally free version. Now, the upper tier is like Spotify Premium or Apple Music if you're paying for that, and you get to choose all the music you want, etc. That's Amazon Music Unlimited, and there is a free trial on this. And if you're a Prime member, so let's say you did that free trial of Prime, you actually get 4 months free of Amazon Music Unlimited right now. If you're not a Prime member, then you get 3 months free right now. You at least get 1 month free. I do know that. But right now they have this deal for 3 or 4 months free, depending on if you're a Prime member or not. So you can actually try it for free and listen to any music any way you want without ads on Amazon Music Unlimited. So those are the different Amazon Music free trials, whether you're a Prime member or not, here on Amazon.